Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing. Please, if you are new to this channel and you are here to subscribe, kindly touch on the subscribe button to subscribe and also click on the notification bell to enable you get a notification once I upload new video. In today's tutorial, we are going to be making a trendy double layer puff sleeve with elastic, and I will make use of this satin fabric. This satin is 1.5 yards. I will fold my fabric into two. This is where my measurement will start from. I will start my measurement from this line that I marked here. I will mark out 1 inch for folding allowance. This is for folding allowance. Now my measurement will start from this folding allowance. This will be an off shoulder sleeve, so I will minus 4 inches from my sleeve to get the sleeve length I'm working with, and the sleeve length I'm working with is 24 inches. I'll add 1.5 inch for folding allowance, so I'll mark this out. I'll take round sleeve measurement, divide by 2, and the round sleeve that I'm working with is 14 inches. Divide by 2 will give us 7 inches. Here is 7 inches. I will add extra 10 inches to this. It depends on how big you want your sleeve to be, and it's together with seam allowance. This 10 inches is together with seam allowance. So I will mark out my armhole. Use 4.5, 4.5. I'll give it a slant curve like this. A slant curve. And this 1 inch here will be straight like this. So I will go ahead and cut this out. Don't forget to notch folding allowance. So this is for one sleeve. I will use this to cut out the second sleeve. So from the 1.5 inches, this is what is remaining. This is more than 18 inches. So we'll go ahead and fold the hemline. And also fold this side before the elastic part. Okay, this is it. I've finished folding it. So to determine where I will fix elastic here, I will fold it into two. Notch the two midpoints. This is it. And use my ruler to mark a straight line. I'll mark a straight line with my ruler. This is where I notch. This is not this one. So this, you measure where you want the elastic part to be. This is 11 inches. I'll cut out elastic of 12 inches. This is together with same allowance. So this is it for the two sleeve. So I will go to my machine and stitch it. So I'm going to stitch on top of this elastic. I will pull it and stitch. It will gather up like this. So I will quickly do that now. This is it. I'll finish it. So I will insert elastic. For the elastic, I will get my safety pin, fix it like this. So I'm going to fix elastic here and here, and also on the second sleeve. So this is it. I'll cut this out. Hold two edge with office pin. So I'll finish it up. The right side of this satin fabric will face towards this right side. I'll place stitch and also stitch this side and close it up.